India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, who died after the Air Force's helicopter carrying him and 13 others crashed shortly after takeoff in Tamil Nadu, where General Rawat's mortal remains will be brought to the national capital today. And we are told that the last rites will be held tomorrow in Delhi Cant. Even as we are getting you the live updates this morning, an investigative team consisting of the Indian Air Force's officers are carrying out extensive search operations in the area where the Mi-17 V5 chopper crashed in Tamil Nadu's Coonoor. And also that investigation that has recovered parts, what we are told, of the crashed helicopter, according to sources, where an investigative team consisting of the Air Force officers are carrying out extensive search operations in the area where the chopper crashed, leading to the death of India's first CDS, General Bipin Rawat, and 12 others. The team has also visited the spot and has recovered parts of the Mi-17, and search operations are also said to be underway to recover the black box. Meanwhile, a 3-day mourning, the state mourning that has been announced in the state of Uttarakhand, and also following the death of 13 people, including General Bipin Rawat, following which we are told that the Assembly House will be adjourned for the entire day. The 3-day state mourning in Uttarakhand on the demise of Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife, and the other armed forces personnel in the helicopter crash in Coonoor in Tamil Nadu, and the announcement has been made by the state of Uttarakhand. Going across to Sagay Raj now. Sagay Raj, as far as the search operations are concerned to recover the black box at the crash site, what more do we know about that?
See, as we speak, we have seen a few Air Force officials have reached the spot, and even last night they were trying to investigate the entire case because the aircraft comes under Air Force Department, and there were a few investigating officers who were at the spot last night. And early in the morning, there were several Air Force vehicles which has already reached the spot and trying to get as much as material along with the forensic team to understand what really went wrong. Remember, there is also a black box which will help the investigating team to understand what was recorded finally, and to try and understand the area of this place, Amita. Amita, this is a hill station which connects from Coimbatore to Coonoor, and after that it is Ooty. And the geographical position clearly shows that it is a hill area. There are a lot of trees, and if you notice, there are also fog and misty area in few places. But what we get to learn from localites is that from last few days there was rain, and that might be one of the reasons that there was no fog during the daytime. So the Air Force team will also what really went wrong, whether there was any kind of or
led for this particular crash. So there are few things that we need to go undergo. They will need to find out in the investigation, and we should also understand that there are low possibilities of technical snag, because when people like Chief of Defence Staff is flying in a chopper, there will be a complete testing, complete investigation on the flight much before it takes off. Only once the flight is fit to fly, there will be an official...
The flight is fit to fly, there will be an official written document which will be signed by senior officers, senior Air Force officers who will examine the flight. After that, they are allowed the chopper to fly from that place to any other area. So there are no possibilities of any kind of technical snag. The other one is the weather issue. We need to understand whether there was any kind of...
Things are subject to investigation. Only after that we'll get to know what really went wrong. As we speak, Air Force team is at the investigating at the crash site, trying to find out what really went wrong, and they are trying to get the black box, which might help them to retrieve the last conversation that the pilot had during the time of accident. Back to studio.
Sagay Raj, as far as the local witnesses are concerned, we'll also just come back to you on that part. But let me go across to Apurva. Now, Apurva, what are the locals have to say, especially the witnesses? They say it was a matter of few seconds as they saw the Helicopter crashing in the forested area of the Nilgiri Hills. What had really happened there as the CDS was travelling to the Wellington Staff College?
Well, what we are learning is there was an important meeting that was scheduled here at Wellington campus, where we are at the Wellington Cantonment Centre, and this is where CDS, his wife and the other important officials were scheduled to come for an important program out here, and they had left around early in the afternoon yesterday, and this crash had happened almost less than 10 kilometers from where we are at, is what we are hearing. And this crash that had happened in Upper Kunur. And from there, what we are hearing is that this crash that had happened amidst a lot of hilly terrain as well, which is what was owing to the extensive damage that had happened. In fact, that was what had caused a delay in finding the bodies of those soldiers who had, the crew who had been grievously injured. 13 of them unfortunately have lost their life, including the CDS as well. All the 13 bodies have been kept here at the military hospital where we are at right now. What we are hearing from sources is that as of now, at around following 10 a.m. onwards, there is going to be a lot of movement in and around this area, like my colleague Sagai had reported as well. Army officials had already been to the crash site since yesterday and have been looking and investigating into what is the condition out there and out here as well. Post 10 to 11 a.m. This morning, decision will be taken whether to take the bodies via helicopter to Sulur Air Base or by road from here. In ambulances as well. Ambulances have also been kept standby and ready for the same. As for the decision that will be taken following the important meeting, more decisions will come to light as well. Not only that, we are also learning the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin had also come in yesterday and has been assessing the situation on hand. He will also be here at around 10 a.m. where he will be offering his tribute for CDS and other people who had been brutally killed in this crash as well. All of those 13 bodies have so far out here. They have been set in place. They have been taken here and come and put in place here at the military hospital where the bodies have been kept so far. What we are yet to ascertain is that what will be the movement post this, that is at 11 or 10 a.m. We will be able to ascertain if what will be the movement of the people over there. As you can see, heavy security has already been amped up out here given the VIP movement. Not only that, even at the crash site as well, the entire area has been cordoned off, given that it is one of the most incriminating sites as well following the accident that had taken place yesterday. And for not only that, lot of investigation is underway. Yesterday, even as rescue ops had been taking place, several, the condition of the crew who had crashed in that fatal chopper, it was a very miserable condition. Even right now, we are also hearing sources telling us that not most of the bodies that had been procured at the crash site, it has been yet to be identified due to the bad mangling and charring of the body from the impact of the crash, is what we are told. So far, only one survivor has, is the outcome from this crash, and even he is in a very critical condition, is what we are hearing.
Just stay on with us, Apurva and Sagaraj, because if we talk about General Rawat, belonging to a family of military officers and one of the most celebrated soldiers of his time, General Bipin Rawat took over as the Chief of Defence Staff on the 1st of January 2020, the first to occupy the post that made him the country's foremost military officer. We get back with more news.